Do you want to know how to get a Texas driver's license? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to walk you through the entire process, step by step. Before we begin, if you find this video to be helpful and informative, please push the like and subscribe buttons to this channel for more videos like this. So, pull up a chair, grab a notebook, and let's get started. First things first, you need to be at least 16 years old to apply for a Texas driver's license. If you're under 18, you'll need to complete a driver education course approved by the Texas Department of Licensing and Regulation. Once you've got that sorted, the next step is to gather all the necessary documents. You'll need proof of identity, proof of social security number, proof of Texas residency, and proof of vehicle registration and insurance if you own a car. Now that you have all your documents ready, it's time to fill out the application form. You can do this online or at your local Department of Public Safety office. Be sure to double-check all your information and pay the application fee. Next up, it's time to show off your skills. You'll need to pass a written test on traffic laws and signs, so make sure you study the Texas Driver Handbook. After passing the written test, you'll take a vision test to ensure you can see well enough to drive safely. The final step is the driving test. This is where you'll show an examiner how well you can drive. Remember to stay calm, follow all traffic laws, and demonstrate good control of your vehicle. After passing the driving test, congratulations! You'll receive a temporary paper license on the spot, and your official Texas driver's license will arrive in the mail within 2 to 3 weeks. So to recap, here are the steps to get a Texas driver's license. 1. Be at least 16 years old and complete a driver education course if you're under 18. 1. Gather your documents. Proof of identity, proof of social security number, proof of Texas residency, and proof of vehicle registration and insurance if you own a car. 1. Fill out the application form and pay the fee. 1. Pass the written test on traffic laws and signs. 1. Pass the vision test. 1. Pass the driving test. And that's it. That's how you become a licensed driver in Texas. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please push the like and subscribe buttons to this channel for more videos like this. Remember, driving is a privilege, not a right. Always drive safely and responsibly. Thank you for watching. Until next time, happy driving.